In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the varchar function in Snowflake. This function is incredibly useful when working within Snowflake, especially when you need to convert different data types into a varchar or string format. Whether you're dealing with numbers, dates, or even binary data, transforming them into strings can be essential for display purposes, concatenation, or perhaps additional processing down the line. Let's dive into the syntax. The varchar function in Snowflake takes the form varchar expression format. You start by specifying the expression you want to convert. This could be any type of data you have stored in your Snowflake database, such as integers, timestamps, or binary data. Remember, the key aspect here is choosing the expression that you need to represent as a string. Now, the optional second part of the syntax is the format. You won't always need this, but there are times where it's pretty handy. The format parameter becomes important when you're dealing with dates, times, or numbers that need to adhere to a specific format. This means if you're converting a date and you need it to appear as day-month-year or month-day-year, you can specify that exact format in this part of the function. To give you a clearer picture, let's consider an example. Imagine you have a column that stores dates and you want to convert them into strings to display in a day-month-year format. You would write something like varchar date column, DDMMYYY. This ensures that you not only convert the date into text, but also display it exactly how you want. Similarly, if you're working with numbers and need to format them with specific decimal points, use the format parameter. For instance, varchar number column 99999 would convert your number to a string while ensuring there are two decimal places for a consistent look. An important point to consider is that while the optional format parameter is powerful, not every use case requires it. If you're simply converting an integer to a string without any specific format in mind, just specifying the expression should suffice. Like varchar integer column will seamlessly turn your integer into string form. As you utilize the varchar function more within your analytical workflows or data processing tasks, you'll start to see its value in aiding the readability and contextual use of your data. Whether you're preparing reports, joining tables, or aggregating different data types, turning them into strings when necessary can make your overall process more streamlined and effective. That wraps up our tutorial on using the varchar function in Snowflake. With these insights and examples, I hope you feel equipped to apply this function adeptly in your projects. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.